Look at all the tape.
Don't mind that.
All right, guys. What's your Insta again?
Review Forte on Instagram. So this is my Kia Forte GT 2023. Done some facial mods, but not mine in front, but snow didn't do me justice. Don't look at that side, just look at everything. So I had this car for about a year and a couple months, and basically here's what I've basically done to it so far. So on the exterior wise, we got rain guards, we have 35% tint all around except the windshield, a 20% sun visor tint. We also got the carbon fiber mirror caps. They're not real carbon fiber because I'm broke.
Me too.
We also have, had side skirt extensions. We also, side skirts. We got a front lip. We also have the rear canards in the back as well. We also have the gloss A, B, and C colors on this side as well. Definitely 100% worth it because it makes it look 20 times better. And what else? We got duckbill. Came from eBay. Definitely one of the best things I've bought for this car. Tinted the middle tail light, which is basically a reflector because it doesn't turn on. You could buy any aftermarket LED tail light to light it up, but I want to be a little different. We also got, I also changed out the turn signals for LED turn signals and reverse LED signals as well. We also got just decals for my Instagram and for some of the sponsors for the car. And then for the main important one, we have my wheels. So my wheels are a Enki Triumph wheel. It's a 225/40 R18 Nitto Neogen tire with an 18x8 rim with a plus 45 offset on it. And I think that's pretty much it for exterior wise. In the front, we also have the eyebrow tint that I DIY'd myself. Tinted the reflectors, tinted the top of the headlight. I also have the side bracket mount, hitch mount for the license plate, and I blacked out the front and rear badges as well. Well, I've seen a lot of people take out the badges, but I want people to know the Kia just so they can be known that they got beat by a fucking.
That's right. That's right.
Now, that's pretty much it for the exterior. For the interior,
Here's the best part, guys.
got a couple of stuff done to it. So for the interior, we have carbon fiber vent inserts, carbon fiber gear shift cover. We also have carbon fiber vinyl overlay for the steering wheel, and carbon fiber for the door armrest as well. But the main important part is the lighting. So I took lighting to the next level for this car. I haven't seen many people do it. I only seen maybe 2 or 3 people do it ever. But we basically have an ambient lighting kit. It's probably like $100 on Amazon. It takes a long time to do it, but it is definitely worth it. You might have some hiccups, but at the end, the end product is 100% worth it. But we also have the start lights, which I just recently did about a week ago. So that came in very nicely. It took me like a solid 3 weeks to do it.
Oh, that's it? 3 weeks?
Yeah, just casually 3 weeks.
All right.
Mainly because of job, busy, and in total time, 2 to 3 days. And we also have the Govee underglow for the footwells as well. It's one of the first things I bought for this car actually. And it was very nice. I love my lighting for this car. I make it look mad unique.
Yeah.
Very unique to make sure that I look like a Mercedes and a Rolls Royce at the same time in the Kia.
Kia budget.
Yeah, make sure everything looks nice. But I think that pretty much sums it up. Just recently, literally 30 minutes ago, we just added a Takeda cold air intake system by BPV.
There you go.
So cold air intake from my boy Nelson.
Shout out.
Appreciate shout out for the install. 100%. Definitely worth all the money you can get for it. I'll put some,
Hell yeah. This is a $1,000 installation right here, guys.
Yeah.
Hit up Petrol Juice for your installation needs. Sounds so good.
Yeah, bro, it sounds good. And speaking of sound, it's not installed yet. But we also
Let's
have
show 'em, let's show 'em.
MBRP Axle-back exhaust coming in tonight. And today's date is what?
Boom.
22nd. So stay tuned for the Instagram. Stay tuned for the TikTok. The same exact username. It's gonna be installed tonight. We're gonna get some sound clips. We're gonna get some drive-bys, some flybys, and definitely, hopefully, see some pops.
You think flames too?
Oh yeah, dude.
Hell
This is
yeah.
gonna have a flame tune. It's gonna have a spark plug in the side. But yeah, that pretty much sums it up for the car. I appreciate Nelson for the install. I appreciate him for giving me a great deal on it on multiple things.
Absolutely, bro.
Coming down all the way from upstate. And yeah, make sure you go follow the socials. Go follow Nelson, Petrol Juice. Make sure you like and subscribe.
I appreciate it.
And definitely make sure to keep up with his content. That is coming up next.
There we go. B58
You
gang.
definitely don't want to miss that.
Can't wait, man.
All right, brother.
I appreciate you driving up too, man.
100%, bro. Here it comes.
It's a sick car. Please follow his Instagram, guys. I'm telling you, his build is not something to sleep on. He's got sick ass reels. He's got dope ass shit on his Instagram. Trust me on it.
Appreciate it, bro.
And when it's clean, it's clean. It's just dirty right now.
On Instagram, it's way more clean on the Instagram. Trust me. The winter has been brutal this year. Very brutal.
Horrible.
But yeah, 100%, bro. And I can't wait for the petrol content. Make sure to like and subscribe for this B58.
I appreciate that, bro.
So nice.
I appreciate that, bro. You're driving it next. I hope you know that.
Oh yeah.
All right.